Welcome to the live quiz podcast. The quiz will have 2 rounds. In the first round, every right answer gets you plus 10. A wrong answer eliminates you. If you score 30 points, you move directly to the second round. You have 2 lifelines. Revive. You get revived after giving the first wrong answer. And the second one is shield. If you say shield before giving an answer, you do not get eliminated. So let's get into the quiz. All the best. All the answers for today's quiz will start with the letter I, India. In a 1961 smash hit, this 8 word refrain follows wise men say only fools rush in.
Vikram,
But, Vikram,
I I can't help falling in love with you.
and that is right. Wise men
Oh,
say
the
only
song.
fools men rush, but I can't help falling in love with you. That's correct. Vikram off to a flyer. Vikram starts with a 10, and here we go with the next question. Said some 4,000 years ago, what is the Chinese name for the Book of Changes?
Vikram,
Manoj.
Vikram. Vikram.
I think.
Sorry?
I think.
I Ching is right. Vikram moves to a 20, a quick 20. Okay, let's try this one. What am I talking about when I tell you about an astronaut, a lonely astronaut who finds a bottle, opens it, a 2,000-year-old creature comes out, and wackiness ensues?
Saurabh,
Saurabh?
I dream of Genie.
Yes, I dream of Genie is what I was looking for. What is the, or how do we know the first volume of the autobiography of Maya Angelou? Three, two, one.
Saurabh,
Saurabh,
I know why the cage bird sing.
that is right. I know why the cage bird sings. Okay. Saurabh also moves to a 20. Othello opens with Rodrigo talking to this villainous character.
Vikram,
Vikram.
Iago.
Iago is right. And with that, Vikram has already hit a 30 and moves to round 2. Super fast, Vikram. Sit back and relax. Okay, let's move to the next one. It's the peninsula where you will find Madrid and Lisbon.
Nikhil,
Saurabh,
Turning.
Saurabh,
Nikhil.
Nikhil.
Iberian Peninsula.
Again,
Iberian Peninsula. Iberian.
yes, Iberian is right. This wild goat with back curving horns.
Rohit. Turning.
Nikhil.
Expected Rohit, go for it.
Nikhil.
Ibex.
Ibex is right. I'll complete the question. Uh, this wild goat with back curving horns can be found in the snow lines of the Alps. Ibex is right. Formed in 930 AD, Althing is the oldest parliament in the world, considered to be the oldest parliament in the world. Three, two, one.
Nikhil.
Nikhil.
Is it Iceland?
It is Iceland. Good one, Nikhil. What do you call the scientific study of fish?
Rohit.
Rohit,
Ichthyology.
theology is right. Good one, Rohit. Out of the three parts in which, out of the three parts in which Freud divides the mind, which one will fit today's category?
Nikhil.
Alicia.
Nikhil.
Nikhil.
Id.
It is right. Alicia, you should have pounced on this one, okay?
I am
You said.
always slow.
And with that, we have our second finalist. Nikhil qualifies quickly. Very good, Nikhil. Congratulations. This heavyweight boxing champion became
Saurabh,
the Saurabh.
Evander Holyfield.
No.
No, it's E. It's E. Starting with
I'll
E.
complete the question. It is still open. This heavyweight boxing champion became the dictator, became a dictator afterwards.
Aaron.
Three. Aaron.
Shikha.
Aaron.
Idris Amina.
Idi
Idi
Amin.
Amin.
Alicia.
Idi Amin. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, Idi
Do
Amin.
I get? I got the first name wrong actually.
Yes, you got it wrong.
Yeah.
Idi Amin is what I was looking for. So Aaron uses his first lifeline and Saurabh uses his first lifeline. The founder of the founder of this company used his
Saurabh,
initial Saurabh,
IKEA.
and that is right. I'll complete the question. That was really fast. The founder of this company used his initials, the first letter of the farm, and the village where he was born and brought up to name his company, which is IKEA. With that, Saurabh also moves to a 30. We have our three finalists. So, with that, we have our three finalists. Very, very fast and quickly the rules. There are going to be 6 questions. Each right answer will get you 10 points at the end of the 6 questions. The one who is still there and has the maximum points wins the quiz. In case of a tie, the one with maximum lifelines intact wins the quiz. First question coming your way, guys. For the Japanese, uh, from the Japanese for living flowers, this is the
Nikhil.
Vikram.
art.
Nikhil. Ikebana.
Jet.
Ikebana, right? I'll complete the question. For from the Japanese for living flowers, this is the art of flower arrangement. Ikebana is right. Plus 10 to Nikhil. Question number 2. The personnel of which Indian security organization are also called Himveers? 3, 2,
Vikram.
1. Vikram?
ITBP.
Yes. ITBP is absolutely correct. Can you give me the full form?
Indo-Tibetan Border Police.
Yes. What is the full form of ICICI? 3.
Vikram.
Nikhil.
Vikram?
Pass.
Okay, you used your first lifeline. Anyone from the audience?
Let
Yeah.
me, or if any, okay, Industrial Credit Insurance Corporation.
No, no.
Investment,
No.
investment.
Oh, investment instead of insurance. Does that make it right then? No.
Uh, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI. Okay, Vikram uses his first lifeline with this one. Huh. Again, you have to give me the full form here. You don't have to give me the abbreviated form, and this is also a clue. This is typically a 13-digit number, or it used to be a 10-digit number for books published before 2007. 3, 2,
Vikram.
1. Vikram.
International
Vikram.
Standard Book Number.
And that is right. ISBN, International Standard Book Number. Okay. Question number 5. On January 2004, the parent company of this product announced that more than 2 million products of this have been sold. What am I talking about? 3, 2, 1. Time.
Aaron.
Aaron.
iPod.
iPod is what I was looking for. Yes. Okay. Question number 6. Let's try this one. Since Olympics are going on, so Olympics related question. This city, uh, this city hosted the Olympics in
Vikram.
1960. Vikram,
Incheon.
can you spell it?
INCHEON. Shield.
And no, you had to say shield
Oh,
before.
Saurabh,
Okay, congratulations.
Saurabh.
This city hosted the Olympics in 1976 and 1964. Yeah, go for it, Saurabh, for 2
Innsbruck,
points.
Innsbruck.
Innsbruck is what I was looking for. Winter Olympics. And Vikram there jumping the gun and getting eliminated.
I think I think you are the
Yeah.
first person to get eliminated in the second round,
Uh,
I think. Yeah.
Doing a self goal there on the last question, sitting on a comfortable lead. And with that, final scores Nikhil 10 and Vikram did a self goal. So, winner for today is Nikhil. Congratulations. Good one, Nikhil.
Congratulations, Nikhil. Congrats,
Nice.
Vikram, for the Harakiri.
Nice, guys. Well played. Well
yeah,
Well
played.
yeah,
played, well played.
Second
Well
time
played,
in a
yeah,
row.
everyone.
yeah.
Vikram.
This
Vikram
strategy.
is a true lover of quiz, I suppose. Last question also he attempted.
I have to
Yeah.
get a better coach
I,
like Lakshya.